Who we are, English and French in Canada. Canada has two main languages, English and French. Many people speak English or French every day. English and French are Canada's official languages. The Canadian government gives services in both English and French. About 18 million people speak English as their first language. These people are called Anglophones. About 7 million people speak French as their first language. These people are called Francophones. Most Francophones live in Quebec. Many are from French families who came in the 1600s and 1700s. Many people came to Canada from England, Wales, Scotland, and Ireland from the 1600s to the 20th century. These settlers are the reason that English is spoken in most of Canada outside Quebec.